कि जो आपका विजन होता है लाइफ में, दैट इज ऑलवेज अ मूविंग पिक्चर. When you close your eyes, you see yourself that where do you want to be in your life. So while I was sitting in class and whenever I closed my eyes, I always wanted to be a police officer.
It sounds like you created your own opportunities despite the failures, right? So ये इसके पीछे क्या mindset था?
For women to get education, it was always like a privilege. Because daughters were not considered to be the top priority in terms of education and resource allocation, especially in the families. So I believe कि जैसे क्लास बढ़ती जाती थी, मैं देखती थी कि मेरी जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो बिल्कुल कम होती जा रही हैं. और जब भी उनसे रीज़न पूछा जाता था तो वो कहती थी कि बस घर वालों ने कहा है कि इतनी काफ़ी है पढ़ाई, और वैसे भी तो शादी करके हमने जो है ये सिलाई, कुकिंग और इस तरह के स्किल्स लर्न करने चाहिए. सो वी वांट टू फोकस ऑन दोज एरियाज. सो जैसे आई ऑब्जर्व दीज थिंग्स इन माई सराउंडिंग्स, तो मुझे लगता था कि मैं बहुत प्रिविलेज्ड हूँ. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक अ ब्लेस्ड चाइल्ड, or I might be God's favorite child that he got that he gave me parents like I had, because they never told me that education was not for women, because they never told me that daughters should not be given priority in terms of resources allocation. I think there are thousands of such stories every day, the untold stories, the unsung heroes in our society. But only one thing which is required is first, that step of trust in your departments, because ultimately the departments are also reflection of the society, and the society needs to put trust into their departments, and the society needs to create their liaison with their officers, with their departments, because ultimately these all institutions, ultimate objective is to serve and facilitate people, which needs to be done with their due responsibility.